Hello guys, it's me Tabatroy, and I'm playing Minecraft Skywars, the third episode, and I'm playing with my best friend
Prime Slayer.
Prime Slayer.
Hello guys, it's Prime Slayer here and this is my episode 3 where we are going to hopefully win, I guess. And guys, if you're
Yeah,
wondering about this texture pack and all, it is here. These are all the texture packs. And if you're wondering also how am I zooming in,
I
it's
I, I just
Photoshop Optifine.
I just chose a kit.
Oh, I
I
didn't
just
choose my
chose a
kit.
kit.
I chose my bow kit.
Good, thank God, because that's the best kit.
What kit did you choose?
Bowling.
Okay, good. Let's do this. Okay,
Sniper
10
rifle.
seconds. Wow, guys, right, guys. Okay, and guys, if you're wondering, we are playing on the cracked server, and
Centric.
yeah, Centrix PvP, and we're soon gonna get the original Minecraft.
Real Minecraft.
Yeah,
I have the real Minecraft,
yeah,
but
premium
it doesn't
Minecraft,
have
premium.
premium servers. Okay, come on. Um, in the last episode, you kill me. Don't kill me now.
Yeah, yeah. I should have not killed you. I killed you. Sadly, I did.
I was a. I know. Coming to you.
But that episode didn't go that well.
Yeah,
It
we
was
both
good though.
lost.
It was good. We both lost.
It was fun.
We
It was
lost
fun. It's
badly.
fun.
We lost against a person who was three people were teaming each other.
Yeah, that only man. How the hell do we actually?
But who cares anyway?
Okay, I got some good loot now. Oh, I nearly got nothing. Shit.
Okay, so let's do this. Okay, give me 1 minute.
One
Give me 1
sec.
minute.
Oh my God. He just went to the washroom. I think. Okay, guys. I'm gonna go to build to him. I should go build. Should I build him, guys? Man, I wish I was streaming. Okay, I'm gonna go.
Guys, I'm back. I'm back.
What's up, man?
So I had some.
We missed you. Where were you?
I had some issues.
You.
Had some issues. Issues.
Oh my God! I just put a block, and I was lagging. I was thinking, come. I wasn't gonna come.
Oh,
I'm scared.
someone built to my island.
Yeah?
Yeah.
He's killing you?
No, he's there though.
Oh shit! I'm coming to you.
I'm killing him. I killed him.
Wait, but hey, how the hell? Hey, Nick. Prime, build to me.
I wish I would. He has instant health potion.
How the hell did he get that? He's VIP?
It's a kit. And he has a potion of poison.
Yeah, I was stuck, man. You can throw anyone in PvP. Hey, just build to me, man. Please build to me.
Yeah, I'll try to. But
Build from up.
I have some issues that I will die.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try.
No. Wait.
Okay, come. I built.
Wait. Okay. Wait. I'm just taunting one guy. I'm gonna shoot him and run away. Yeah. I shot him. What?
Give some good stuff if you need. There's a prot iron chest plate.
Okay, man.
No, I pushed you there because someone was going to someone shoots you will die.
That's so nice. Okay, come. Let's now what to do?
Wait, I got something for you.
What do you have? What?
I hope you have fun with that. Okay, I'm going for this other island.
Go. Hey, I won't die.
Yeah, I'm going very slowly.
Oh shit, I'm gonna die. What the hell? I'm coming. How much seconds poison did you put for me, man?
Wait. Tell me when the potion of poison goes.
Gone.
Okay. Now come here. I'll give you something.
How you went up? Oh,
Got it?
blocks.
Got it? I threw it on you.
Okay.
Okay,
Where? No. What?
Gave you health, right?
Nothing. I got.
Yeah,
You
it's
got.
a potion of instant health.
Yeah, but you didn't get. You got. I didn't get.
Oh, great. Okay, okay, Steve. Tab. Go top. Go top.
Yeah, yeah.
Go top.
Why?
Go top. Go top.
Fine, fine.
Have
Yeah,
to
you,
build.
you have. You have bows. You have both. You have. I meant. You have any arrows?
Yeah, I have few arrows. There's a guy
How
already
much?
in the center.
Oh my god. Okay, I'm trying. I'm trying to snipe him.
Tell me. No, no, wait. Don't.
He's sniping. He's sniping you.
That's what I told you. Don't. Don't try to.
Yeah, I didn't snipe him at all.
Don't try to taunt him.
Fine.
Okay, okay. There's one guy trying to build.
Let him come. Let him come. I have a sharpness 1 4. He's dead. Why shooting him?
I hit him once.
Oh.
Okay, okay. I think I'm gonna go for this leap of faith.
Oh. No, you won't make it.
Okay,
Build some more. Build some
tell,
more.
tell me if he's coming, okay? No, I died.
They're shooting you. Shit, I was so to say.
I died.
I'm alive. I'm alive. I'm alive.
I died. I got a safe bridge for you though. Just run and jump.
Oh my god, I'm dying.
Go up, go up.
If I die.
Okay, this other guy is here. Kill him.
Wait. Oh, what is wrong with my freaking.
He is actually gone very far.
How far?
You can come to the center.
Oh!
Dude,
Oh!
you can
Oh
come to the
man!
center. Come. You have to build only through one island. Come here. Dude, they both are fighting. They both are next to each other. They both are gonna fight and kill each other. Go, build. I don't know. Okay, yeah. They both are fighting. Go.
I have no blocks. I have
Oh, there's a hacker. Go.
I can't go. I have no blocks. Oh my god. I have to use my axe then. Yes, I got blocks.
Go.
Random guy left the blocks.
Build. Trust me, build fast.
Oh, that guy shoot me then?
No, he's not next to you.
Where is he?
Okay, go back. Go back.
What? I saw a guy running on top of me.
Go back. Okay.
Again, he make me waste my blocks to go.
Go. Build. You build like a staircase, man, so that you don't have to keep going top.
Yeah.
Dude, he's not looking at you. Go. Guys, excuse me for 1 second. Okay, so what are you trying to do?
Trying to go there, but
Build.
wait,
Build
man.
fast before he comes. Okay, dude, he's not coming. Go build. He's looking at the other direction. Go, he's mining all the cobwebs.
I think you cobweb me.
Run, jump.
What?
Jump.
He shot me before I could jump.
No, he
told
didn't
me.
shot you. He didn't shot
He
you.
shot me, yeah.
No, I was looking at him. He didn't have his bow out. He didn't have anything out.
But who shot me then?
No one shot you. You must have just fallen in the wall.
See, I was killed. See,
What?
Oxy, Darksy.
Oh my god, he's hacker.
Yeah,
He's
man.
hack for multitasking. You can do 2 things at once. Oh
My
god.
god, random
His
dog.
hack killed you. Slash quit.
Yeah, such good.
Hopefully this is not another fail.
Yeah. We'll go for farms. We just wait for. I farm 22.
22. Okay, I'm at 22.
Okay, now if you go to center, we can do
Hopefully
it.
we win this because you are in the center and you go for the center and I will.
Eh,
Oh my god.
Where are you? Is that you?
It's this
Said you
guy
no.
who has my same skin.
Yeah?
Hope you die first, my friend. Hope you die first. Because
Kill
there's
him!
only one guy. There is
Who?
only one guy who will live forever. That's me.
And that's Nick.
So you better
Yeah.
die. You better die. Okay, we're going to
Oh
start.
shit, I'm so scared.
We're going to start. We're going to start. We're going to start. We're going to start. And
You know what? I don't care if I lose also. I just want to loot the chest, do some arrows, and start building.
I'm stacked with arrows. I got a lot of arrows.
How much?
26.
Oh my god, you know the highest arrows I have got is you know how much?
12. 14.
No, no, 30.
What?
Yeah, like but I got no sword, no armor, only 30 arrows, and I kill everyone.
I don't think I got anything. Oh, I got a helmet. I got a chest plate. Yeah, I'm pretty much stacked again. But no sword. No sword. No nothing.
Come to my island. I didn't loot. I just got loot the blocks.
Okay, you go.
Center. Shit.
Keep building. Keep building.
God bless me. Show
Tell
me
me
your
if
power,
anyone's
God.
tell me if anyone's trying to kill me. I'm going to try building to the center.
How the hell do I know? I'm building the center.
Don't take everything. Leave some for me.
Okay. Yeah, I'll see. Center. I need center. Yes. Hallelujah.
Don't die by some idiot.
Yes. Full diamond gear. I'll have some for you if you want.
If I want, I definitely want. I don't. Oh, you took the bow. I needed the bow.
I need it. Bro.
Can I have the bow?
No, I need it. Sorry. Chapter 1. More than this.
I definitely need a bow. I don't have a bow.
I have a bow, but a bad bow.
Can I get one piece of your? Can I get one piece something of yours? Because I
For
got-
armor.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Anything except boots and pants.
Boots and pants. Okay. You want boots and pants?
Yeah, except boots and pants.
You want chest plate? Yeah, chest plate. I need, man.
Anything. Helmet.
A helmet. You take.
No need. Keep it.
You already have it.
Keep it. I'll try to keep it.
Yes. Hey, just check if somebody's on the top of her head. If anyone is there, we are dead.
There's one guy who's very close to us though.
Kill him. There's a notch apple.
I can't kill him.
There's a notch apple, man.
Yeah, there is no notch apple for this round.
My God.
I have to go to visit all the islands and find out if I can find any diamond chest plate.
No, first you have to go. I'm going on top of the building. Wait, let's see. Any good stuff is there?
I'm building.
No! Last time, you remember what happened? I died.
Yeah, yeah, I know that. Last time you died.
Some blocks. Wait, if anyone comes.
Oh my god, I just put all my arrows in my chest.
My God, I can't freaking find any. Blocks.
Okay, I'm alive.
Please don't die. You have to be alive. One guy is building. He got scared. What? Is anyone there to me? Yeah, I'm going on top.
You go, I'm going. I'm trying to find a diamond chest plate if I can.
So some last episode, some people came on top. Where are you?
I am actually trying to get myself a diamond chest plate.
Is someone is in the middle?
Yeah, you are in the middle.
What the fuck?
Oh, I got.
Boss, two people came in the middle.
I got a diamond chest plate.
Two people came in the middle from when I went up.
Okay, wait, stay top. I'm coming.
Yeah, but my gear is too strong for them.
Okay, come. We'll go to kill them, okay?
Where are you?
Oh no, I died!
How?
I didn't jump properly.
Nick, you're so close in this episode. The third episode, you're so
They
close.
both killed each other. Go, his hearts are very low. Go down. Go down. Go knock him off.
Crazy.
Go knock him off.
Crazy.
There, go knock him. Kill him. Easy kill. Easy, dead.
It's chest plate, man. You had diamond chest plate.
I died.
I want lava bucket. Yes, lava bucket. Almost diamond stacks.
Oh,
I don't
he's
any
coming,
people.
he's coming. He's coming. He's here.
Woo woo woo.
He's here. He's here. Yo, yo, yeah,
Who?
yeah. Come here, come here, come here. Go straight, go straight, go straight.
Yeah.
He's there. There.
One second. Bullets in peace.
You can shoot him off. You can shoot him off. Go build to him. Build to him. Kill him. Go build to him and kill him.
Oh my god, my aim is so freaking bad. It's optified. Yes, he died.
Got
Yes.
him, got him. Got him. Go, go. Next guy.
Wait, how many people are left?
4. Total, including
Wait,
you.
still the lava out of it. 3. Wait, how many? Where are they? If there was notch apple, I could have given you. Could have been safe.
Yeah, yeah. No, I don't need a notch apple. I fell out of the world.
Where?
He's here, dude. He's jumping. He's jumping. Yeah. 2 guys are building to each other. Steven here. He's coming for the center. Let him come. 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 Crouch.
Where is he?
Crouch. He's coming from this angle. From your left.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, where?
Yeah, wait. Crouch.
On top?
Crouch. He's gonna come. Yeah. Let him come. Wait. Wait.
Where is he?
No, just look straight. Okay? Wait. Wait. Let him come now. Let him come. Go. Come. Run. Run.
Where is he?
Turn. Go. There. No.
Oh no!
Kill him. Yes. Good.
Oh my god! I just died my own door. Wait. In the memory. My god, my in the memory of this guy.
I need a chest plate.
Where are you? Where last guy?
I'm trying to search for him. He's like hiding somewhere.
Find that guy. I will kill him. I think the lava is done. What? He's in top of my house. I mean my center.
I saw him here. I don't know where he went.
Thank God.
Saw him here.
Please find, man. Nick, you're my good friend. You have to find.
Trying to, but he's not there inside.
I'm burning all this stuff now. So no one, if anyone gets us, oh, only last guy. What the hell you do?
Where is the
But still, I don't care.
I can't find him.
God no.
Oh, I found him.
Where is he?
Found him. Come here. Come here where you kill this guy.
Yeah.
Come here where you kill this guy. This side.
Somewhere here.
This side. You place full lava everywhere. This side.
Yeah.
This side.
Oh my.
Straight.
I'm dying from lava.
Turn ulta. Okay, come.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah.
Straight.
Yeah.
Okay, now your left side. You can see him. Go.
Oh my God, this
Go
guy
on
will
top
be
of your
for.
building. Go on top of your building and build on top and kill him. Go top. Go. Fast. Wow, you could have made it.
One sec.
Okay, go.
This.
Oh, go.
Oh my freaking.
Fast.
Yeah, I'll go from here. Tell me if he's building, huh?
No, he's not gonna come, dude. He's never gonna come. He's like pleb gear,
What?
man. Full half iron and water diamond. You see the giant farm area?
Yeah.
There. Come. Build to this.
Wait.
Build there. Build to this.
Where is he? Yeah. Wait.
Oh yeah. No, yeah. Go straight. Come here. You see this farm area over here with the pumpkin head?
Yeah.
Come straight to this. Straight, fast.
Yeah.
Yeah.
What? Where?
Come straight. Straight go. Build straight.
Where is he?
Trust
Where is
me,
he? If I die,
No, trust me. Build straight.
where is he? What's he doing?
Trust me. Keep doing it.
What is he doing?
I'll tell you. Let's go. Now jump to that island. Jump. Okay. Go straight, go straight, go straight, go straight, fast, fast before he mines
I
the
don't.
blocks. Go.
I don't die, man.
Okay,
Yeah.
this one. Go straight. Yo. Yeah. Come. Go.
Yeah.
Go.
Yeah.
Go. No. Don't go to
Down.
the house.
Then.
Yeah. You're right. Go straight. Right. Yeah. Go. Go. Run fast. Run. Yeah. Keep going wherever
Slowly.
the bridge is taking you.
What?
Keep going wherever the bridge is taking you.
What is this? Hunger Games?
Fast. He blocked himself. Go. Go.
Yeah, straight.
Yeah, go. Now he's inside the ground, man. Go kill him.
Easy.
Yeah. There.
What?
Back of you. He's inside
Yeah.
the block. He's inside. Kill him.
Yeah.
Yeah, kill him. Mine it and kill him.
Yeah, one.
Yes, good one.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, thank you for watching, guys. And please don't forget to subscribe to my best friend Prime Slayer. He helped me so much for winning.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you, and see you in the next episode. Bye.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's